Today felt a lot more like summer than spring. Temperatures soared all across the South Plains. We had a lot of sunshine, and that trend is going to continue. Here's what's happening right now. We are still dealing with very nice conditions. Obviously, the sun is still out. Skies continue to stay clear. And those skies, well, they're going to stay clear in the overnight hours, but here's the catch. Normally, temperatures would plummet. Not this time around. Even though we continue to be dealing with those crystal clear skies on into the overnight hours, wind speeds are staying up, keeping temperatures up into the overnight hours. If you want to see any cloud cover, well, you're basically going to have to go down to the tip of Texas because the whole state is looking at a lot of sunshine this evening, and we're going to continue to deal with a lot of sunshine, so temperatures will warm up in the next several days. Right now, we're sitting at 87 degrees in Abilene, 88 in San Antonio. Check it out. We even are dealing with the 90s. Not only are we dealing with them out of our viewing area, but in our viewing area. Over into the Rolling Plains, Childress coming in at 91 degrees, 89 just off into the Rolling Plains, as well as 87 in Roaring Springs, 89 coming in Turkey. In the central areas, the Hub City, we are at a warm 89 degrees. Along the Texas-New Mexico state line, we do have temperatures slightly cooler, but still, once you get around that 85-degree mark, it's hot outside, especially when you're dealing with these winds. Winds are extremely dry. They're coming in out of the west-southwest, seeing 28 miles per hour in the city. Dry air continues to filter its way in. We're looking at 19 miles per hour in Amherst, 24 in Level Land. Up to the north, we are right around that 20-mile-per-hour range, but Lake Allen Henry Post looking nice around 12 to even 13 miles per hour. But everyone will continue to deal with those wind speeds overnight. That's going to aid in keeping those temperatures stirred up and very nice and warm. So we'll continue to deal with those winds around 20 to 25 miles per hour into the overnight hours and throughout tomorrow. Winds will be coming in out of the southwest, sustaining around 20 to 25 as we push further on into the afternoon. But Friday, we get a break in the winds. Winds are going to lighten up, be less than 10 miles per hour, but they do return on into Saturday all day, coming in right around out of the southwest, 20 to 25 miles per hour at times. This model really underestimating those wind speeds. We know our West Texas winds, and we are assured they're going to really cause a disturbance. Now, as we head into the next several days, we will be dealing with a front pushing its way through. This front's going to come through Friday evening. This particular model is indicating that we could be dealing with a slight chance of rainfall. Right now, we are not looking to really see that rain on the surface, although it will be in the upper levels. It's going to come down in the form of virga, meaning high wind speeds are going to be the case Friday evening. But as far as Friday is concerned, you will be dealing with those light winds, so that's always a plus. But check out tomorrow's temperatures. 93 degrees right here are anticipated for the Hub, 88 in Dimmitt, 88 anticipated over towards Muleshoe, off into the Rolling Plains. We are looking to have 96 degrees in Paducah, 97 in Guthrie. Dickens looks like it's going to come in at 95 degrees. And down to the south, temperatures continue to stay extremely warm. We have a few spots looking to be around the 90-degree mark, but most of us will be 95 plus across the region. So tomorrow is going to be one hot day. We also will be dealing with wind speeds. Please stay fire savvy. It's going to be a dangerous fire day across the board. Temperatures for tomorrow, 93 degrees for the high, looking to break or tie a record in the Hub City. The last time that we did get up this high was 93 degrees back in 1972. I would not be surprised if many backyards surpass that, especially in the central areas. In the Rolling Plains, don't worry, you are headed into the mid-90s. It's going to get down right hot. Friday, we will be dealing with the decreasing winds and decreasing temperatures. 83 degrees for the high. We'll be right around 90 as we head further on into our Saturday. We do dip the temperatures back down, but notice we are not getting below freezing. Good note for everyone who's ready to plant those flowers. We told you last week that we are looking to have a very nice spring, and we're looking at it to continue on over the next several days. But tomorrow, it's going to feel a lot like summer. But before we get ahead of ourselves, still a spring, we are going to be dealing with spring showers.